Look, guys, I got some Happy Meal, and it's from So Lovely with Grace. Grace at So Lovely with Grace. Let's see what she enclosed. It's a Christmas card. What a great gift. I was so surprised. I saw the envelope. I said, I don't know anybody from Florida, but Lord, yes, I do. Thank you so much, Grace. So let's read the card. So the card says, Dear Alethea, wishing you a happy holiday and a new year full of peace. God bless. Love, Grace. God bless you too, Grace, and thank you. Wishing everybody a Merry Christmas and hope that all of your dreams and wishes come true. Thanks, Grace. And look, she inserted this, enclosed this nice broderie keychain. Isn't that wonderful? Beautiful. Thanks, Grace. Hello, guys, and welcome. This is Alethea. Because of the holiday seasons, I have chosen this pattern, Simplicity 8814. Some little fun, give some love on Christmas. I'm going to be sewing this vintage apron with all the nice smells that comes out of the kitchen. This will be a great cover-up to help you along with all of your delicious dishes. Again, it's 8814. Okay, let's begin. I have cut out all of my pattern pieces. Now I'm getting ready to mark them with my tracing paper and my artist pen. This coffee cup right here I've had for years. My great nephew gave it to me one year in 2016, and I'm still using it today. The memories, the love. He was about 6 years old or something along those lines, and now he is 14 years old today. What joy, what memories we build. Okay, so this is how the little tulip pocket is looking. It's attached to the front of the apron, and we're getting ready to move on to the sides. So here we are beginning the side seams, both side seams. So this is where we are. I have hem or put in the back, the two side seams after I place the facing on. This is how it's looking. Your scallop edges. The end seams, I've serged the edge. I've sewn the two side seams to the midsection. And I'm placing rickrack instead of the lace because I don't have the size lace that I need. I need 4 inches, I believe the instructions are calling for. So I'm placing rickrack at the end of the scallops and placing it so it would catch this facing on the opposite side. The facing is made out of knit material, and the apron itself is just plain woven cotton. So these are the steps I just showed you. This is the facing, and you're putting the two sides to the middle section, and you're adding your lace. Instead of the lace, I'm gonna add the rickrack. And also, I've already done my 2 rows of gather stitches all across the top portion of the apron. So next, I pin the rickrack to the bottom edges of the apron, and I'm gonna base it in and then sew it in, catching the facing on the other side. Okay, so here's how the trim is looking at the edge of the apron, and here it want to fray a little bit, so I'm gonna use some fray check to keep it from raveling. So next we're going to the stitches up top, I gathered stitches, and the waistband. So guys, I'm done with the apron. Here's the waistband, that beautiful large pocket. It'll bring a lots of enjoyment for you. Cooking, a lot of joy. Here is the ties.